The ultimate money hack: how the rich stay rich and you stay broke. Most people fail financially not because they don't work hard, but because they play the game wrong. The rich have a secret rule book, while the rest of us, we were set up to lose from the start. If you've ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, you're still stuck in the same place, this video will change your life. Stay with me until the end, because I'm about to reveal the ultimate money hack that keeps the rich rich and the rest struggling forever. Are you ready to break free? Let's begin. Here's a harsh truth. If you're struggling financially, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you were taught the wrong way to think about money. Mistake number 1: trading time for money. If your only source of income is your salary, you're in trouble. The rich don't trade time for money. Instead, they use leverage. Money works for them, not the other way around. Mistake number 2: living paycheck to paycheck. The cycle is deadly. Work, get paid, spend, repeat. If you're always spending everything you earn, you'll never build wealth. The rich, they don't just earn, they multiply. Mistake number 3: lack of financial education. The wealthy constantly learn about investing, taxes, business, and financial strategy. But schools, they teach you how to be a good employee, not how to be rich. Comment below, what's the biggest money mistake you've made? So how do the rich stay rich even in recessions, while most people barely survive? Here's the secret. They follow a different set of rules. Rule number 1: own assets, not liabilities. The rich don't waste money on things that lose value. They buy assets, stocks, businesses, real estate that generate more money over time. Rule number 2: use other people's money, OPM. The rich don't just use their own money. They use investors, loans, and tax strategies to grow faster while others are afraid of debt. Rule number 3: multiple streams of income. Millionaires don't rely on one paycheck. They have multiple income streams, so even if one fails, they still make money. Rule number 4: pay yourself first. Before paying bills, before spending a dime, the rich save and invest first. The poor, they spend first and save whatever's left, usually nothing. Rule number 5: invest early and let compound interest work. If you start investing early, even small amounts, you can retire rich, but most people wait until it's too late. Are you following these rules? Comment below. Now that you know the secrets, here's how you can escape the paycheck to paycheck trap and start building real wealth. Step 1: start a side hustle. Even an extra $500 per month can be life-changing. Sell a skill. Start an online store. Create a digital product. The key is to stop relying only on your job. Step 2: automate your savings and investments. Set up an automatic transfer to save or invest 20% of your income before you even touch it. Step 3: cut out useless expenses. Do you really need Netflix, Starbucks every day, or that new car loan? Cut out what doesn't make you money. Step 4: learn a high-income skill. If your income is low, your first focus should be learning a skill that pays well. Your skills determine your financial future. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people. But knowledge isn't enough. You have to take action. Which one of these money hacks will you start using today? Comment below. I'll personally reply to the best answers. If you want to escape financial struggle and learn the secrets of the wealthy, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. And before you go, watch this video next.